Hello everybody, today we got these cool Batman cars. We have the Batmobile here and the Batmobile here. And we also got this Batmobile. This one's been my favorite for all times. It's also my favorite between this, and this. This is my favorite one. For all times, this is my favorite car. First up, we have the Batmobile. So the Batmobile is cool. It's blue, my favorite color, of course. It has some red glass, and these things are quite cool. There's some cool wheels, a nice front. Next up, we have the Batmobile. So this one's cool. It also has some red glass. It has a seat. I think it's a seat that's sticking out of the car. Or it's a booster. This is a booster, I know, but could this be? I don't know. Well, it has some flames on it, if you noticed. It has a bat here. It has some cool wheels and a very weird shape here. Batmobile that I've already opened. It has a cool booster here, some other boosters here. It looks just like the normal Batmobile, honestly. It has this, it has blue here, like the real one, actually the real one. If you look at that front right here, does it look like a bat a little bit? For me it does. Yeah, compared to this bat symbol, it looks the same like this. It looks like the top of the bat. If you see the very top of the bat, there's some ears. That's what this looks like to me. This. First up we have, and yeah, we all got to test that. First one we have the Batmobile. Okay, so let's take these two out. The Batmobile is gonna hop in here and move. A little too hard for the Batmobile's problem. It has two more chances. Okay, it's the last chance to make the dragon go up and fall down. It has two chances to do both of that. One more chance. Okay. Look. I put it in properly. So this one's not that good. Next up we have the Batmobile. Let's see if they can do that again. Very close, you know. That was the second try, third try, fourth try, and now last try to see if we can do it. No, fifth try. Okay, now there's only one more Batmobile that can finish it, which is this one. Okay, let's see. You have to finish it off. You have to save everybody. The dragon's gonna destroy the world. You're the only one that can save them. No. Second try. Third try. Fourth try. Please, you have to save them all. I'm not not gonna say anymore. Wins. Batmobile wins. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs down below in the comments. Bye.